The purpose of this video is to replace the hub that's located on a 2-speed Alginator. I have placed an Allen wrench into the small hole on the side of the hub. Loosen it, pry it up, and that will be discarded. There are 4 space maintainers inside the machine, and by turning it over on your hand, you'll be able to get those out. If not, just pry them up and remove them. In the new kit, you will have 4 space maintainers, which keep the hub distant from the case. Place them inside. Place your Allen wrench inside the new hub and align the wrench with the flat side of the motor shaft. Place it down, tighten it, and give it a final tighten with pliers. And in that way, it's firmly in place and ready for the bolt.